see us, they can't see us. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Just to give you an idea of what is going on at the moment, Connor, I, and his family are playing a game called Cats and Mice. It's a bit like tag, but the cats who are it have to tag the people in the kayaks. In this case, it's only 2 people. So, right now they've tagged the other person, so we are trying to hide in the bushes so that the cats cannot see us, and this turned out to be a very great plan, even though we had to do an emergency exit at the end. But still, it was a great plan, and this is how the plan went, so I hope you enjoy.
Too many rocks, it's going to scratch it.
It's okay, come on. And now over there. Come on. Oh, they're there, they're there. Shh.
Get down here.
This is a master plan. There's no way they'll see that. There's no way they'll see that. I think they might have turned around. Where are they?
We're orange, remember? We're yellow. I don't blend in.
No way! Push people. They're looking. Oh, shh. Shh, get down, get down.
Snakes.
They're after each other. Perfect.
Quiet. Get down.
They probably think we sunk. Oh, that might be when they sunk.
Yeah, it's perfect. We'll just push the canoe straight down there.
We could have done that before, just up.
We'll get ready.
Maybe they sank to the bottom of the
They probably think we sunk.
Maybe they sank.
No, not yet.
Yes, come on, we have to.
Not yet. No, not yet, not yet, not
Yeah,
yet.
come on, he's calling our name. We can't do anything bad.
No, he's all the way over there.
I know, we have perfect chance. Ready? No, Riley, let's take it. Ready?
Get ready. Lift it up. Shh. They're coming towards us. They're going right towards us.
We have to go.
Go, go. Shh. They're coming right towards us. Come on.
Get ready, go in the front of the canoe. I'll push you in. Joe, ready? Wait, just wait. Just wait. Get on the front now.
No.
Get on. I can do it.
Not yet.
Get on. behind you, imbecile.
No, come on.
Ready, go. Riley, get on it now. I can push it. Riley, get on it, get on it. Get on it, get on it, get on it. Go.
Dean, yes, go. Ah, they're over there. Come on.
Go, just go. You're on the back and I'm on the front, I know.
Move the other way around. Okay. There we go. Run!
Go, Riley. Go one way, I'm going left, you go right.
The perfect plan!
No. Too hard.
Tracy! Tag them quickly! You're steering! Out of the back! No!